Hello, techTongBo CC is here to help you find the perfect product. We have a height adjustable threshold strap that we have developed and successfully tested in the market. With just one set of threshold straps, you can adapt them to different heights of thresholds. We offer 3 different sizes, each available in 3 colors for you to choose from. Let's take the largest size as an example. It is divided into 4 sections, with the middle section and 2 side sections connected securely using a snap-on mechanism. Once connected, you can install 1 layer, 2 layers, or 3 layers based on the height of your threshold. Once you have determined the placement of the threshold strap, you can use the braided adhesive to fix in place. The top layer features a non-slip texture, making it easy for robotic sweepers to climb without slipping. The threshold strap is made of high-quality plastic material, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Feel free to contact us for more information.